this video is how to use a schedule, a visual schedule, and also with the choice board. So these are some different icons. These were all from those icon pages. I've fake laminated them and put them on here. This is kind of an example of a schedule for the day. There's breakfast, then brush teeth, then get dressed, clean, and this activity schedule is like work tasks. That's what that one means. And then you'll see at the bottom it says, then star. So what I'm going to have my kid do over here is he's going to pick which of these rewards he wants once he's completed his schedule. He wants the computer. So we're going to put that on there that once he has finished his activities for the day, he gets computer. And this could change. So on the back here, I've put some extra activities. That's a good way to store them, is either on the back, or you can put them on a different page, or however you feel like it's best to do it. For most of my students in my class, I would not have them do the entire list of things and then get their reward. They're probably going to get some little rewards on the way for doing all these things. But also, once they have finished all these great things that take like a lot of effort, then they're probably going to get a really big reward, like computer time or iPad or go play outside or something kind of awesome. So as he goes through his day, once he has had breakfast, then you can either mark the finish box, and again, if it's in the page protector, then you can check it off, put an X through it, whatever kind of works for you on that. Or you could even, I like this one even better, when it's done. So when breakfast is done, then it just comes off the schedule. So now they can't even see it, it's gone. And then they can see how many things are left before they get their really good thing. So that's how to use choice boards with a visual schedule. Thanks. Bye.